Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at the updated tools section. This is the tools section. So once you come here, you will find that the tool has been updated, and like I showed you before, this is where you can select your volatilities. For example, let's select volatility 10-1s, and then once you come down, you can see the percentages of even, odd, rise, fall, over and under. Okay, and then you have the hot digit here, like I showed you before in my previous video, how you can trade digit match using the encroach method to try and match the digit that is being shown here. Okay, and then of course now here you can see the even and odd as they come, and this is very good for you or important when it comes to entry for both even, odd, or rise and fall. Okay, and then just below here you can see what we added. You can see EO, that is even odd bias, and right now you can see it's saying odd bias, meaning that you can see so far the last slightly over 10 we've been receiving 4 odds and 6 even. Okay, that is what this stands for: 7 even, 3 odds. Okay, it keeps changing, but you can be able at least to see whether the even is biased towards even. I mean, whether the market is biased towards even or odd by checking here. And then this is rise and fall bias. You can see, for example, we have 9 rise and 1 fall. Okay, so you can be able to know that that market right now is probably majority of the time now it's rising, and you can see here it's written rise bias. Okay, and then this is the price. And this one you can use it to check the last digit here. Okay, for entries. Like I said, I'll be shooting videos just to teach you. There are very many ways you can use this tool to trade, and everything here has got its own purpose. Okay, and then now we added this also to alert you when it is good to trade over 3 or trade under 7. Okay, so once it reaches 70%, you will be able to see highlight like this one. Now you can see it saying we can trade under 7 now. It's at 75%. Okay, for under 7. For you to enter, for example, under 7, you just come and look at the last digit here. You want to see digit 9, 8 or 7, and then you see a digit that is below 7, then you run your bot. Okay guys, and then for even odd, let's say you're trading odd, you want to see 3 or more evens, and then once you see an odd, you enter the market. For rise, the same way. You want to see, for example, if you're trading rise, you want to see several of the opposite. You want to see several 3 or more falls, and then enter with the first rise that comes. Okay, this place here, you'll always get a prompt on which market you can trade. You can see it's written suggested contract and waiting for enough data. So you'll always get a prompt from here, at least to know which market you can trade. Okay guys, so let us see. This under 7 has been there for a while. I come to bots. Let me use the alpha version 2025. Volatility we were looking at was 10-1s, and then we are going to trade under 7. Okay, so we've had everything ready for under 7, and then we see whether we can make even just $50 demonstrating. I'll be staking 483 is the balance. Let me stake $50. So we come back to the tools, select your volatility, and then scroll down, come and see whether we are going to see the prompt. Now it seems to have changed. It's kind of indicating over 3. Okay, there we are under 7 now. So since it's showing us under 7, we want to look at the last digit here and see, once we get digits above 7, there's 7, 6, 4. Let's just wait. We are looking at the last digit here. Okay, that is 8, 6, 9. Maybe 2 or more, or even 1, then you just run the bot. Okay, so let me be on standby. 9, 0, 8, 4. I've entered with that 4. Okay, I've entered with a 4 and the bot is running. Okay guys, you can see that was a good entry, and we've hit our take profit of $52. Okay, we've made it made a profit of $52. The secret using that tool or any trade type, contract type that you will use, do not do very many runs. Target short runs, achieve your profit, and then you're out of the market. Okay guys, just short runs and you're out of the market. So again, that is the tool that you can use. It's fully updated, and like right now you can see it's telling us to match digit 3 there. Again, digit over, it will keep changing, but like now we've gotten several match digit 3. Let me try and see whether we can match a digit. So I'll use another bot. Come to bots, I'll use the ProfitMax $1 system, and then let me reset everything here. And then the volatility we were looking at, for example, is, or let me try 101s this time, and then let's select matches. Select matches there, and then come down here, reduce your stake maybe to 0.35. that is the least. 0.35, and then reduce the martingale factor to 0.5. Martingale levels here, we can increase it maybe to 13, and then let's go and see which digit the tool will tell us to try and match. Okay, 101s, and then I come down here. Right now we can see digit 0. You can see the hot digit here is 0. Now it's 8. We wait, see whether, okay, you see here we've been told digit 0, digit 0 again. So let's match digit 0. Come to bot builder, select digit 0, and then we run our bot. Okay, so now it will encroach. Actually, we've hit it with the first run. You've seen we hit it with the first run here. What I was hoping for was for it to do martingales and then touch digit 0 at least with a good stake. Okay, but you've seen it is working. Okay, that was very accurate with the first run. Let's have a look at again, let's try and capture. So we come to tools, volatility 101s, and then let's wait again. Now it's telling us there you saw digit 3. Let's see whether it will repeat again. Now it's saying digit 4. Let it at least pick. Let's see again, digit 4. Okay, digit 4. Okay, so we come here. We've seen it has kind of say digit 4 twice. So now let's see. So now you can see from 0.35 it comes to 0.52. So it will keep increasing the martingales like that until it touches there again. Okay, you see 0.79, we've made $4.77. Okay guys, that is a digit match, how you can trade it. And then for that section, use the ProfitMax $1 system. Okay guys, so let's try something else. Let me try rise and fall. So come to bots, I'll select the ProfitMax alpha version, and then volatility 101s. That's okay, up and down. So we will go to our tool and see whether we are going to select rise or fall. Okay, come to tools there, volatility 101s, and then always give it some time to propagate. Always give it some time to propagate. If you see that happening, just reload the page. Reload the page. Then I think we are back. So let's look at volatility 101s. Give it some time at least to touch all the digits, and then we can be able to see. Right now you can see rise has got 30%, fall has got 71%. So here it looks like we are going for a fall. Volatility is 101s. all digits have been touched, and you can see fall is on the higher side. So we come to bot builder, select, let me select the bot. Thought I had selected it. Volatility was 101s, and then up and down we saw fall. Say whether we can make $100. So we come back again to the tools to verify and confirm that we still have a good percentage on the falling market. We'll give it some time. Give it some time, and we can see fall still at 66, 71 now. And then we want to run the bot once we see a couple of rising, or even just a single one, because it's capturing all digits. So I will just run the bot with when I see a rise. Okay, so I'm looking at here. Okay guys, so I'm waiting for a rise, and then I run the bot. There I am. We are in the market now for a fall. We've had 2 losses there, then a recovery. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how we go. Of course, rise and fall trades, there's normally something I normally call breathe in and out. So you will not get very straight wins. You will always at least lose here and there. But then, since the market is heading, for example, in our case here, it was fall, a majority of the times you should be able at least to hit your take profit. Okay, like I said before, avoid doing very many runs to hit your profit. That is why I just target small wins. The market keeps changing, and that is why you can see, for example, here we've done 8 runs, won 4, lost 4, but then again we hit our profit and we made $125. Okay, the target profit was 100, but at least we've made $25 extra. So guys, that is how you can use this tool. This tool is very powerful, very powerful. I have shown you how you can deal or identify a few of your entries, and with that said, at least if you practice and master, for example, if it's rise and fall, you master that one. If, for example, if it's even odd, the same principle, you master it. Look at the percentages here, and then set your bot, select the correct bot, set it up, come back, analyze again, set your bot, come back, analyze again, and then you can now run your bot using the entry methods I have shown you. Okay, so just keep practicing. You should be able to see yourself making traction. The key thing, do not go for very high profits. Target small chunks of profit depending on the capital that you have. Okay, within a very short time you should be able to see yourself at least making some wins. Distribute your trading sessions. For example, you can trade in the morning, make your profit or loss. Do not over trade. Wait again, come back and trade maybe during the midday. Try and make your profits from there again, and then again in the evening before going to bed you can do another trade. So those are 3 trades. If all goes well, you will have won, for example, if it's $50 times 3, that will be your profit in 24 hours in a day. Okay, then grow slowly like that. Target, like this is a real-time job. You're working, waiting to see how much money you will have made in 30 days. In a month, how much money you have made. Okay, so nothing is a guarantee. There are times, of course, you will lose. There are times you will win. But if you, most of the times, with a strategy, with a good tool like this one, with good bots like this, you should be able to start making some profits, guys. Okay, just keep practicing. Do not combine, like for example, you've seen I've done digit match, I have done rise and fall. Okay, I have done under 7. Select one, perfect one trade type or strategy, and then from there you can now keep growing, or in the morning you can try rise and fall, in the evening even odd, and then maybe later digit match. That one is very risky. If you're a beginner, avoid it. And then always trade with funds you're comfortable in case you lose. Okay, digit match is very tricky. It needs you to at least have some money that you can risk. Okay, the other trade types, of course, you can trade even odd, rise and fall, over and under. And rise and fall, even odd, they normally have very good returns. So if you concentrate on that, you can hit your take profits very fast. Cheers guys, remember to subscribe. Any questions, comment section. All the links, including to bring you to the site, are all below the video. See you on my next video, and happy trading.